Michael. I live in Nashville, North Carolina.
And so, Michael, tell me this. When you very first came in here, what was your major complaint?
I was dealing with some pain in my back.
Yeah. And that had been going on for how long?
A few years, but it was not at the point that I was not functional, so I could still move around and do things. So one day I was out washing my truck and had a little kink in my back, that kind of brought me to my knees.
Yeah.
So.
And that's what we call not functional.
Exactly. So I dealt with that pain for maybe a few days, and I told my wife I have to do something about this back. I've been to certain places before that I wasn't really happy with, and so I said I'll try this spinal decompression therapy.
Yeah. Now, when I think you called it lock up, didn't you?
Exactly.
You were saying,
exactly.
Yeah, and you ended up crawling to the bathroom.
Exactly.
Yeah, and that scares wives.
Yeah, she's the reason that she kind of pushed me to come in here.
And what other things had you tried here to try to get this?
I went to a chiropractor. This has been a few years back. Wasn't really pleased with the results, so I kind of dealt with the pain. I'd take Advil here, do some stretches, and still kind of dealt with the pain.
Yeah, the usual stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah, and no luck.
No.
All right. Yeah, so now we've been doing spinal decompression therapy.
Exactly.
Yeah, and how's that been working out?
That's been real good. But the first treatment was a success. I'm an avid golfer. Love to play golf. That very next week I went out, played golf, got a hole-in-one, won a car. It may not be because of the decompression, maybe just a little bit of luck, but my back felt good.
Well, it sounds as though you would recommend spinal decompression to others.
Exactly. And, when my back locked up that night, that day when I was washing my car, that was the final straw. I said, I'm not dealing with this anymore. And like I say, it scared my wife, and she kind of pushed me to having somebody to look at my back. And I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. If there are people out there that are dealing with issues like I was with my